Hello guys, it's your boy James in the house and my cousin Dion. And we are playing Don't Press the Button. Also we are playing. Guys, before we play, I'll let you subscribe, like, follow. I'm just kidding. And
This is crazy.
Subscribe to Philasonic's channel and like. Philasonic, you are gone. Wow! Someone bullies at me. I like to judge you. I cannot move because of this pistol. Beep. Do it, guys. Philasonic, what are you doing? Hello. Okay, I'm just gonna. Where are you? You're dead. Winners? Yeah, guys, I won that round. Yeah, boy. Press. What? What's that? Correctly back. Holy shit. Bull. Correct back. Oof, I died. Okay, I died. Okay, Philasonic. I'm gonna chat. Hello. Oh, I died. Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh. Okay. I didn't know what the rules are. That's why. Okay. Oh shoot, guys. Ah! Oh, okay, I gotta press the button. Press. Money. Money. I got money. Okay, I'm gonna press the button. Press! Hey man, get out of me, buddy. Oh, we are bigger. We are fast. I'm just kidding. Okay, guys. Yeah, I can drop high. And if you don't saying oops. I gotta press the button. Special shop. I don't want to go. I want the special. I want parkour. I'm good. I went out so well, so I'm gonna save the button just to be safe. Wow, this guy is naked. Okay. Well, where's their snowball? Okay, guys, I hope you have an amazing video. I'm sorry it was a short video. I got it in a short video. I guess bye. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna do bye. I'm gonna still keep playing. You think I'm gonna do like a short video? Tiny. Got the water? Ah! I'm in the water. What are you? Oof, I died. Score a goal. Where's the soap? Okay, I scored a goal. But what's the ball? Guys, now I'm gonna do. Guys, I hope you might amazing video. And guys, I love to do another one tomorrow, but we're having a hard time. Bye.